Hey, this is Emily from supplyhouse.com, and in this video, I'll talk about the Axiom NeutralPal Condensate Neutralization Hard Pipe Kit. The NeutralPal is ideal for neutralizing condensate from condensing boilers operating on natural gas or propane. The NeutralPal will raise the pH of the condensate to a more neutral level before being discharged into the drain. Neutralizing the pH also prevents acidic condensate from corroding drains and sewer systems and maintains a neutral environment for bacteria in septic systems. It operates with a condensate flow rate of 1.6 gallons per hour and can be easily mounted vertically or horizontally on all types of natural gas and propane appliances. The low-profile design works for appliances with a near-floor condensate drain. It includes two 3/4-inch male and 3/4-inch female unions, two 3/4-inch PVC Socket Weld Adaptors for hard pipe installation, two basin wall mounting clamps, and the initial charge of neutralizing agent. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.